Create your own warehouse management program for 756 items. Creating the frames. Right-click the Sheet tab of the first worksheet and select View Code. In the VBA editor, click the Toolbox icon. Left-click the Frame control in the toolbox, and then left-click an empty space in User Form 1. Frame 1 is now located in User Form 1. Create 2 more frames in the same way, from Frame 1 to Frame 3. In the VBA editor, double-click the user form. Enter the code from the video description into the Activate procedure. Open the worksheet and then the input mask. Formatted frames from Frame 1 to Frame 3 are displayed.